Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use Client Engine. I'm going to show you how to start sending DMs to clients and start closing your sales. Um, so firstly, we're going to start with the warm-up section. What you're going to do is make sure your account is healthy, and for you to do that, you have to always warm up your account before sending DMs. This helps you avoid your account getting suspended, and it reduces the chances of it just getting suspended in any form or way. So just make sure you warm it up before you do anything else, just to keep it on the safe side. So what you do is you can just adjust your time, warm it up for 5 minutes, 10 minutes. I would just suggest you warm it up for maybe 30 minutes, 25 minutes. And this is how you warm it up. You just click on start session right here, and it's just gonna act like a human being. It's gonna engage with profiles on your feed, go to explore feed and just scroll, like, chat comments, stories and everything. Just be active like a person before it actually sends um DMs. So this is what it does. It checks through the comments, scrolls around, likes a reel or post, just it just engages and moves like a human. So I'm just gonna stop the session because the account is already healthy. As we can scroll up here, it's healthy. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you how to target your prospects. So firstly, if you don't know how to target them, you can just search here like I did. These are the results I've already searched here. So if you wanna, let's say, restaurants in Miami, it's gonna show you the Instagram and TikTok usernames. So you can just scroll down here. You can see the ones that were able to be extracted, and TikTok username 42, Instagram usernames, and 28 TikTok usernames. So when you how to add them up to your so you start DMing them, you click here, add to followers targeting. So when you do that, when you click on custom users, it'll show them right here. Yeah. So you can just um after clicking here, they'll appear here, and you'll be good. You start a session. But before you start a session, you have to make sure that go to DM mode. Make sure that your script is good. So personalize with name. Messages include name. Replace with the recipient's real name at send time. So this trigger can turn it on or off, but I would like it to be on, and I would advise you to put the personalize with name on, because people highly respond with when you personalize the messages in a way. So if you send a script and it has their name in it, it increases the chances of them responding to you. And also, I'm going to show you how to write proper scripts to increase your response rate. Nothing too long, and also nothing too short. It has to be long enough to explain everything and short enough to make them read it, because people are lazy. They don't want to read something that looks too long, and write it in a way that doesn't feel like a scam, or that it feels safe for them to respond to you. Yeah. So from here, we're gonna go to warm up section. As I mentioned before, this feature is only um available for the growth plan and the scale plan. It's not available for the starter plan. But for you, if you want to start sending DMs with the starter plan, you can just send them, but safely make sure that you manually warm up the account before you start sending DMs with the starter plan. Just you can engage manually with your phone on profiles, but if you're already active, it's okay. You can use the starter plan and start sending DMs. So we were done with DM mode. So DM mode, human mode is a very, very, very important sector, because it just reduces the risk of your account getting suspended in a way, because it sends um, DMs like a human being, you know. So here you can enable or disable following. You can do that in manual form, because you don't want to be following everyone you DM, you know. So it's good for it to be off in the meantime. So account warmed up. So if your account is warmed up, you can turn it on. But if you think it's not warmed up enough, you can just leave it off and it'll send 15 to 20 DMs within 24 hours. But if you think your account is warmed up enough, you can turn it on and it'll send up to 50 DMs. So here's the trigger. By enabling this, you confirm that your account has been actively used for at least 2 to 4 weeks with regular manual activity like posting, liking. So your account to qualify for this to send 50 DMs within 24 hours, it has to be like really active. It has to be an active account. So I would, if you bought a new account, or if you just have a new account, or your account has not been active for some time, I'd advise you to keep it off so that you just stay on the safe side, you know. Yeah, so this is where you create the messages that you are going to send to your prospects. So when you create a script, this is how you're going to create it. So you're going to name your blog script. I'm going to say script one, new bulk, and you're going to click on the drop down arrow here. So when you click on the drop down arrow, this is where you write the script. So this is where it gives you an example on how to create a script. So let me just say, hi, Lucy. I mean, this is just a random example. I'm not actually saying this, but you get it right. So I'll just show you how to create a proper script in the next video. But the AI already tries to make it as good as possible for you to for it. It just makes it better. Yes, I've programmed it to use the same format I used to get higher responses. So it just uses your context and it'll create the script. So yeah, so it'll create the scripts like this. And when you're done, you can just, if you want to use this script, you can switch this on right there, and it'll show here active for. So we're not gonna use this script. So I'm gonna use this leads acquisition script. That's how you create the script. When you're done creating the script, we can now start targeting the people we want to target. So let's say, for me, for what I'm selling, I would say if I want to say I want to target Alex Ramosi, uh, Ramosi, and then I'll target the followers. But I think he has too many followers, so I'll just target commenters on his post. So I already paste the link from his profile right here. But I'm gonna show you. You come here, you just go to your profile you want, you copy the link. If it's here, you copy the link. I would advise you to copy the most recent one, or maybe the ones that are in the top recent posts. Basically, maybe that have more engagement than others. Let's say this one. You can just copy the link, go back to your bot and paste it here. And then after you paste it, your script is ready. So your account filters, you filter account that you do not want to DM, and the ones that you want to DM. This makes it very easy. Um it increases your chances of like accuracy. So it can include business accounts, public accounts only, maximum amount of followers, minimum post count. You can just do the filters here and filter accounts properly to just be a bit more sniper mode. So when you're done filtering, you can go back here and start your session. So you can just click this button over here and start session, and it'll navigate to the account right here. It just went to the account, and it'll be extracting their usernames the in the comment section. So you can just click on the extension here to check live action. You can also stop or resume. You can also view from the website itself live activity, or just watch live here, or you can just continue with your personal what you were doing. If there's something else you were busy with, you can just do it while you leave it with the work. So after it's done extracting, it's gonna just visit the account it extracted. So it's gonna browse through this one. Remember, I chose human mode, so it's not gonna just send the DM. It's gonna try to browse and engage to the profile before it sends the actual DM. So you can also set it up to comment on any post if you want it to. But beforehand, it's just gonna engage through it like that, and it's gonna send a message. It's gonna send a personalized message if that's his name. It's gonna insert the name. If it's not a name, it might just say hi there, but we'll see. So it's gonna use one of the scripts we saved before, and after it's done, it's just gonna move to another account and do the same thing. So I'm gonna stop right there. So that's how you target commenters. The followers, still the same thing. Can tap the followers of a person and it'll just scroll through the followers and start sending DMs to the followers. Following likers, you can paste the post of the likers here. Hashtags, you can just write hashtag and start session. It'll DM people within those hashtags. Location too, you can paste location. I would advise to paste the link. You can copy the link from your phone. Instagram location, not Google location, not Apple location. Just use Instagram location. Just copy the location and paste it right here, and you'll be good. So that's how you DM. So if you have any questions, I'll I'll be ready to respond in the comment section. So remember to keep your account healthy, warm it up before doing anything, and I'll be up in the next episode to show you how to get the maximum results from Client Engine.